So let's move on to the Stars and Stripes. Another rather large icon of America. Let's see if we can find Sirius in the Stars and Stripes anywhere. So let's start with a 5-pointed star, which the Stars and Stripes is covered in. So the 5-pointed star, if we look at the Unia star of the Sirius people, they have a 5-pointed star that represents Sirius. If we look at Sopdet from Egypt, and the 5-pointed star over her head, well, Sopdet represents Sirius in Egypt. If we then look at the Egyptian glyph for Sirius, again we find the 5-pointed star. Some people say the 5-pointed star represents Satan, but as we'll find out in another video, Satan is Sirius, Satan. So we've looked at the 5-pointed star. Why are there 50 5-pointed stars? That one's quite simple, because Sirius A and Sirius B take 50 years to orbit each other. This one's a bit more technical, the red, white and the blue. So Sirius itself is what's called a white dwarf star. Now, because of what's called the Doppler effect, where light waves stretch and contract, when you look at those white light waves, whether they're extending or contracting, they will look either red or blue, depending on what you're looking at is moving away from you or moving towards you. So when the orbit of Sirius takes it away from us, Sirius looks red and is called the red dragon. When Sirius comes towards us, it looks blue, and that's the blue dragon. But the whole coming and going, everywhere you see red, white and blue, that's the Doppler effect of Sirius. So let's move on to the name itself, Stars and Stripes. Now, in the occult, everywhere you see the letters SS, in shipping, in sportswear, in Nazism, everywhere you see the letters SS, that actually stands for Silver Star Sirius. Now that can also change to AA, which stands for Argentium Astrium, and that you will find in the Illuminati's emblem, AA, and also the Automobile Association, Alcoholics Anonymous, pretty much wherever you see AA, that stands for Argentium Astrium. Argentium means silver, so Argentina is the silver state. So this is where it loops back to SS being Silver Star Sirius. So we have a 5-pointed star for Sirius, we have 50 stars for the orbits, we have red, white and blue for the Doppler effect, and we have Stars and Stripes SS Silver Star Sirius. So yes, we found the Stars and Stripes absolutely covered in Sirius.